Hey everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. I just want to show you a particular call on options for the following month on a option that would pretty well eliminate the potential of IBM being, in this case IBM, to be used for a trading idea. This is one of the big red flags that would flag the trade opportunity to be of no good. What I do is I've put up in the past a video on how to get an options chain from Yahoo via a MATLAB using Yahoo Finance. So typically all our data is going to look like this. We're going to have a section for calls. So we're going to have this sell. And then we're going to have this data, which is the second month, which is October, current month, so next month being November. So you can tell that obviously on the call here, it's 11, which is obviously November. Now, a couple of things. This is a big red flag. Here is our headers for what I'm about to show you. These are the column headers. So in our case, we are looking at column 7 and 8. So it's volume and open interest. So let's see, where are we? Okay, so we're under calls. We're going to column 7. Now, here you can tell that there's very little volume and interest. We only have 329, which isn't a very high. So let me just pull over our Yahoo Finance here. So that's basically what we're looking at here under our volume, 375 or whatever it is. So if we wanted something really liquid, let's say QQQ, let's see what that would bring up under options here. So here's our options chain that we're about to load up. So let's say we looked up November. Hopefully we're going to see a bit more volume. So this one looks good. This one's definitely 8,000 plus, 2,000, 2,500, 3,800. So what that basically tells you that because we're using these options that this is a liquid asset at this point for that month. So because of that, for instance, going back to IBM, we know that at least for the next month, as a trading position, we can see that there is no liquidity. So somewhere along the line, the pros are saying, yo, we are not really doing too hot with IBM because there's no liquidity. So even if you enter in a position, regardless if it's for a few days that you're holding it or however long, let's say November as it stands, you may have problems trying to sell it because there's no liquidity for the month of November. So this is just one way of how our system is going to be able to characterize if, let's say, IBM is a good trade or not. Yeah, so again, the minimum we want to see, the threshold is at least 1,000 volume, okay, in call options. Okay, so that's just something I want you to be aware of, and that's one of the metrics that our system's using. Later.